Good morning, students. Today you will learn about how to find out the solution for numerical problems. Lesson 6, topic book back problems, page number 78. So, ninth movement, first sum. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 7 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? So here concave mirror is given, then magnification 3 times for real image. So what is concave mirror? In some spherical mirror, reflecting surface is curved inverse, that is called concave mirror. The reflecting surface always faces towards the center of the sphere. Then what is real image? It's a true image. When light rays coming from an object actually meet after reflection, the image formed will be a real image. It always inverted and it can be produced on a screen. So we know about magnification. M magnification produced by a mirror gives how many times the image of an object is magnified, that means enlarged with respect to the object size. We compare object size with the image size. Image size how many times magnified or enlarged, that is magnification. So magnification of real images always contain the negative sign, and the magnification of virtual image means it is positive sign. So what are the given datas? Object distance u is given. Object distance u equal to minus 7 centimeter. The negative sign for the object always placed left side of the mirror. So we measure any distance against the incident ray of light means it contains the negative sign. Then magnification m equal to minus 3. This minus indicate it is a real image. Magnification of real images always contain negative sign. So minus 3 is the magnification. So we want to find out the image distance. So object distance means the distance between the object to the pole. Similarly, the image distance means the distance between image to the pole of the mirror. Then what is the formula to calculate the magnification? Magnification has two formulas. Okay. So it related to object distance, image distance means we take the formula magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Solution magnification m is equal to minus v by u. So we need to find out the image distance. So minus v equal to the denominator u goes to the numerator. Minus v is equal to m into u. Okay. Then v equal to means minus of m into u. Then substitute the magnification and object distance. Object distance u equal to minus 7. Then magnification is equal to minus 3. So this is the formula minus. Then m value is minus 3. U value is minus 7. Substitute v equal to minus of minus 3 into minus 7. So we know the value of minus 3 into minus 7, it's equal to 21. So 21 into minus means minus 21. So v equal to minus 21 centimeter. V means image distance, the distance between the image to the pole. So result, image distance v is equal to minus 21 centimeter. So it is a real, inverted and magnified image will be formed at 21 centimeter in front of the mirror. So it's a real, inverted means upside down, and magnified will be formed at 21 centimeter in front of the mirror. We move to the second problem, page number 78. Light enters from air into a glass plate having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? So light enters from air medium to glass medium It having refractive index of 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass medium? So first write the given data. Refractive index of glass plate mu equal to 1.5. Refractive index means the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is a constant for a light of given color and for the given pair of media. This constant is called refractive index. So sin I by sin R is equal to constant. This constant is called by the name refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Refractive index is represented by the Greek letter mu. So this is the Greek letter mu. It has no unit. The refractive index of a medium is also defined in terms of speed of light in different media. Okay, so refractive index mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum or air divided by speed of light in the medium. Okay, so refractive index of the glass plate is given, mu is equal to 1.5. It has no unit, number only. Okay, then we want to find out the speed of light in glass. So what is the formula? So here speed of light want to calculate. So we choose the formula refractive index of glass mu is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in glass. So write the solution. Refractive index of glass mu is equal to speed of light in air medium divided by speed of light in glass medium. Substitute the values. 1.5 is equal to, we know the value of speed of light in air, that is 3 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1 divided by speed of light in glass is taken as V. So now we go to the left side, means V is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1.5 ms power minus 1. Next step, V is equal to 3 by 1.5 into 10 power 8 ms minus 1. So 1.5 is the decimal. So we multiple 10 on both sides, means we get 3 into 10 divided by 1.5 into 10 means 30 by 15 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. So we know the answer of 30 by 15. So 2 by 1, that's equal to 2. So V is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. ms power minus 1 means it is the SI unit of speed, meter per second, or ms power minus 1. So result, speed of light in glass V is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. Then third problem, page number 78. The speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. If the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. Calculate the refractive index of water. So first write the given data. Speed of light in water is given, is equal to 2.25 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. Speed of light in vacuum is given 3 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. So we calculate the refractive index of water. So here we taken two medium, vacuum is the first medium, then water is the second medium. Okay. So refractive index of water mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in water. So solution, mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in water. So substitute the given data. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1 divided by speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 power 8 ms power minus 1. So here 10 power 8, 10 power 8 cancelled, then ms power minus 1, ms power minus 1 cancelled. So balance 3 divided by 2.25. So multiple 100 on both sides to change the whole number means 300 divided by 225. 3 into 100 divided by 2.25 into 100. So we get 300 by 225. So we can cancel means we get the 12 divided by 9. So cancel with 25 means we get 12 divided by 9. So 12 and 9 change to 4 by 3. 4 threes are 12, then 3 threes are 9. So 4 by 3. So finally we get refractive index of water mu is equal to 1.33. So it has no unit. So result, refractive index of water mu is equal to 1.33. Thank you students.